Hello everyone, in this video I will analyze the poem. The title is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. In the world of English language teaching, literature is not only used for entertainment but it can also become meaningful to help a student improve their English skill. Through this poem, a student can learn vocabulary, figurative language, action, and even how express opinion and life choice in English. This video will be divided into the three segments. First, I will explain the theoretical foundation of the poem. Second, I will analyze the intrinsic element of the poem. Third, I will explain this poem can help students learn English in the ELT classroom. Segment 1. In my opinion, the road not taken by Robert Frost best serve the social function for English learners. This poem talk about choices in life and consequences that follow this choice. And then the speaker in the poem stand in front of two different roads. It must decide which path to take. Even though the poem looks simple, it reflects real human experience because everyone has faced difficult decisions in life. And then, for English learners, this poem is meaningful because students can connect the message of the poem with their own experience. They can talk about decisions they have made, dream for the future, or a moment when they had to choose between two options. The kind of discussion encourages communication and emotional experience in English. Besides that, the poem also helps students build empathy and confidence in speaking. Students may share personal stories, compare experience with friends, and practice expressing feeling using English vocabulary. Because of that, I believe the poem strongly serve a social function in English language teaching. And then segment 1, in this segment I will analyze three intrinsic elements of the poem, like imagery, rhythm, and figurative language. For the first imagery, the first intrinsic element is imagery. Imagery is used to create mental picture in the reader mind. In this poem, Robert Frost described two roads dispersed in the yellow wood. This description helps reader imagine a forest during autumn with two separate paths. The imagery makes the poem feel realistic and emotional. Reader can imagine the speaker standing alone and thinking carefully before making a decision. The road in the poem symbol represent choices in the life. Through this imagery, students can visualize the situation clearly. They can also learn descriptive vocabulary such as yellow wood, road, and leaf. And then this makes the learning process more interesting because students do not only memorize vocabulary but also connect word with visual imagination. And the rhythm. The second is rhythm. The second intrinsic element is a rhythm. Rhythm refers to the musical pattern of the poem. And then the Robert Frost uses smooth and regular rhythm, which makes the poem pleasant to read aloud. The rhythm helps students practice pronunciation, stress, and intonation in English. When students read the poem aloud, they become more aware of how English sounds naturally. They can also improve fluency because poetry encourages learners to pay attention and pauses their pronunciation pattern. And then the third, figurative language. The third intrinsic element is figurative language, especially metaphor. In the poem, the road is not only the real word, but it also represents life choices and opportunities. This metaphor give deeper meaning to the poem. Reader understand the speaker is actually talking about decision in life, not only about walking in the forest. But analyzing metaphors, students learn the English word can have a both literal and symbolic meaning. This improve their critical thinking and interpretation skill, and the student always become more familiar with figurative expression that are often used in a daily communication, song, music, stories, and movies. Overall, this is intrinsic element work together to create meaning in the poem. And the segment 3, the intrinsic element in this poem can help students improve several English skills. First, imagery helps students develop vocabulary and speaking skill. After reading the poem, students can describe place, situation, or feeling using descriptive language. For example, students may describe a place they remember or explain an important decision in the class and then or in their life. A second, rhythm helps students improve pronunciation and reading fluency. Teacher can ask students to read the poem aloud in the class. Through this activity, students practice trust, intonation, and confidence in English skill. And then the third, figurative language helps students develop critical thinking and reading comprehension. By analyzing the metaphor of the road, students learn how to understand implied meaning in an English text. This skill is important because many English texts, song, and conversation use figurative language or figurative expression. The poem can also be used for interactive classroom activity. For example, students can work in a pair and then discuss difficult choice they have experienced. They can also write a short reflection about a decision about that changed their life. Through this activity, students practice writing, speaking, listening, and reading in a meaningful context. And to conclude, the road not taken by Robert Frost is a meaningful literary work that can support English language teaching. The poem mainly serves a social function because it encourages students to reflect on the life choices and communicate personal experiences. Through the analysis of imagery, rhythm, and figurative language, students can improve vocabulary, pronunciation, fluency, and then critical thinking skill. Literature can make English learning more meaningful because students connect language with emotion and real life experience. Thank you for your attention.